Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have something cool that we're installing on the boat. I needed some additional rod holders, and we're going to show you how to install these, hopefully without losing any screws. So I'll have a link in the description below to purchase these. So what I want to do, I wanted to have one on either side of the bow rail. And it comes with, believe it or not, this is a 2-pack. So I want it on either side. We're going to probably put it to the left of this pole here on both sides. All right. And we're going to install it. And it comes with the Allen key, which is really nice. And I would assume that these are galvanized or stainless steel screws, so we don't have to worry about them rusting or whatnot. It doesn't come with any extra screws, so if you lose them, you're SOL, so hopefully not. There is an Allen key on the inside here, a screw, to adjust this in the position that you want. So if you don't want it to be like absolutely like this, you might want it on an angle or whatever, or straight up and down, so you have that option. So we're going to install the first one. Hopefully I don't drop this thing in the water. That's always a plus. Okay, here's the first one. Sorry I had my back to the camera. So it comes with the included Allen key, which is nice. I'm just going to crank down on them. And that's it. There we go. We have the first rod holder installed on the bow. So if I ever want to go fishing up on the bow of the boat, I have the ability to do so. And now this is great, so I can actually put my pole here. Now we're going to do the other side. So let's see where we mount this one. We'll try to copy it. So let's just see if it's kind of in the same spot. It's not. Let's move it down. That looks about right. There we go. Done. This ain't going anywhere. So now we have two bow fishing rods, and they're on there. They ain't going anywhere. They're not spinning. They're not nothing. I cranked the crap out of these Allen keys, and nicely it actually comes with the Allen key to actually do that. So now I have the ability to go fishing on the bow and not worry about putting the pole down in my walk around, which is a pain in the neck. You don't want to do that. All right, so guys, I will have a link in the description below to purchase these babies. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.